Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th standard English class. In last class, what we have seen? Determiners, isn't it? Determinants, what is the meaning by determiners? Determiners are words that are used with nouns to clarify the nouns like adjectives. It provides more information about nouns. It expresses the reference or position of nouns. It comes only before a noun. Okay, there are 50 different determiners in the English language. Some of the nouns are there in your book. A, and, the, all, to, both, this, that, my, your, some, any, each, every, little, few, many, much, a lot of. Did you all finish book exercise? Okay, now check your answer. Okay, take page number 21. First one, fill in the blanks with some or any. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Here 8 sentences are given. You put some or any. First one, she can't eat dash more apples. She can't eat any more apples. There is not dash egg in the tray. There is not dash egg in the tray. Answer is any. She has some red roses in her garden. She has dash red roses in her garden. Answer is some. Fourth one, I want dash eggs. Have you dash? Answer is I want some eggs. Have you any? Fifth one, he has not solved dash question yet. Any. Sixth one, he asked me for dash soap. Some soap. But I had not any. But I had not any. Eighth one, dash people say that many makes the mare go. Many people. Answer is many. Here any is used in negative sentence. Okay, then only we put any in negative sentence. You check. She can't eat. Can't means negative, is not negative. Then only we put any. Okay, some is used in affirmative sentence. Check your answer. First one any, second one any, third one some, fourth one some any, fifth one any, fifth one any, sixth one some any, seventh one any, some, eighth one many. Okay, next one, second one, put in no or any. First one, he has no time to play. Second one, he does not have any time to play. Third one, there is no milk in the pot. Fourth one, there is not any milk in the pot. There were no children in the park. Sixth one, there were not any children in the park. Seventh one, I didn't buy any book from this book. Eighth one, I bought no book from this shop. Have you all understood? In negative sentence, come means you put any. Okay. In negative sentence, come means you put any. See, third exercise. Rewrite each sentence using not any. Rewrite each sentence using not any. Use the short form of not. Here 8 sentences are given. You have to write not and any. You have to write you have to use the word to write the sentence in not or any. First one already finished, isn't it? You have me no money. You didn't give me any money. Second one, see, he saw no one in the office. He saw no one in the office. He didn't see anyone in the office. He didn't see anyone in the office. Third one, see, the poor woman had no child. The poor woman had no child. Answer is the poor woman didn't have any child. The poor woman didn't have any child. You take the word no and you have to write didn't. Fourth one, he won't give his bike to anybody. Fourth one, see, the question is he will give his bike to nobody. He will give his bike to nobody. The answer is he won't give his bike to anybody. Fifth one, there were no apples on the tree. There were no apples on the tree. There were not any apples on the tree. There were not any apples on the tree. Sixth one, I have got no brothers or sisters. Answer is I have not got any brothers or sisters. I have not got any brothers or sisters. Seventh one, Raman made no mistakes in his essay. Raman didn't make any mistakes in his essay. Raman didn't make any mistakes in his essay. Eighth one, I had no money to buy books. Eighth one, I had no money to buy books. Answer is I had not any money to buy books. You have to write second sentences here under the in second sentences you have to write nearby. You have to write nearby, okay, in small letters. See, fourth one, write a sentence using each of the following determiners. Fourth one, write a sentence using each of the following determiners. In this box, many determiners words are given. You have to use to write the sentence, okay. See fifth one. See fifth one. See fourth one, homework. You have to write the sentence, okay. Use the determiners in this box. See fifth one, fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Some, any. This bucket is useless. It has not dash handle. It is positive sentence or negative sentence. Not come means negative sentence, okay. You have to put the word any. Answer is any. Won't you lend me dash more money? Answer is some. I am hungry. Will you give me some cake? Answer is some. Fourth one, he gave you dash money, didn't he? Some. He gave you some money, didn't he? Fifth one, I must have this book at dash rate, any rate. Sixth one, I can't find dash good book here, any. Seventh one, if it is of dash use, I will buy it. Answer is some. Eighth one, I shall be away for dash time, sometime. Ninth one, they have not dash children, any children. Tenth one, please buy me dash stamps, some stamps. 11th one, dash man can do it if he tries. Answer is any. 12th one, we have not dash sugar in the house, any sugar in the house. 13th one, I have read that story in dash book, some book. 14th one, I see dash beautiful birds in the tree, some beautiful birds in the tree. 15th one, if there is dash danger below the whistle, blow the whistle. Answer is any. He is living at dash place in East Africa. Answer is some. 17th one, I doubt whether he has dash spare money, any spare money. 18th one, the railway station is at dash distance from the village, some distance from the village. You should complete Fifth, you should complete the page 21 and 22. Test yourself. Okay, read page number 21 and 22 and finish fourth one exercise. Okay, next class we will see next chapter. Thank you, students.